Schock manufacturing was started in 2013 by myself and my father, Gene. We started out as a very small fabrication shop. Our primary industry that we serve is power generation, specifically natural gas power plants. We are experts in providing those inlets and exhaust systems for power plants.
We'll do turnkey services for our customers. We'll do installation as well as demolition and removal of the old equipment. We're doing custom metal fabrication for companies, and that's a new business that we're embarking on.
We had an older laser. When it worked good. When it was down, it killed us. Our welders are standing around, and it was a huge problem. We knew we couldn't keep operating that way, and we started looking for a solution. We really kind of looked at all the options out there and started considering what was important to us. And when visiting with Mazak, we kind of took a more holistic look at it. It's very fast, but we understood the importance of the automation system. Specifically, it had the operation controls right there with the operator. It just looked like it was put together much better than some of the other options out there. We ended up buying a Mazak Optiplex 3015 Neo 15 kW, and I believe we were actually the first people in the United States to have this machine, and we had such faith in Mazak, we actually signed up sight unseen to get this machine.
We were previously using a CO2 system that was manual. It had change tables on it where you had to move the parts by hand, and it was very, very labor intensive. With the automation, we now have the ability to essentially put a pallet of raw material into the machine, and it literally runs continuously. We're able to process projects a lot faster, really in a matter of minutes rather than hours and days. It's a game changer for us. I think the most impressive thing is the quality of the parts that we're able to produce and the speed at which it'll process parts.
It can do very thick plate, very fast. We use it primarily for some thinner gauge material, but we have that versatility, which is huge for us. We use high pressure air only, and we get tremendous cut quality. We have probably reduced our operating costs running lasers at least 50%, specifically using the Liberty system. That's a huge cost savings. It's helped our company tremendously in that we no longer have bottlenecks in our prefab bay. The parts are coming off, and everything is running smoothly to the point of we've actually worked ahead of schedule enough to where we're actively looking to put some additional work on this machine. Service and maintenance was key, because if this machine is down, we're dead in the water. So having the Orange app and having someone answer the phone when we call was critical. The support we've received at all levels has been tremendous with Mazak. It's made us comfortable in that will be our future go-to on additional purchases. We're looking to retire our CO2 laser and probably will replace that with a larger frame Neo. And we're also considering potentially going with a tube laser. Mazak has been a great partner. They understand our needs for keeping this equipment running, and they help support us in every aspect to do so.